Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I am starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair since I am going to be blow drying and straightening my hair. Now for this portion of the video, I am going to just do the blow drying part and make another video for the straightening part of it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now, first I'm going to start off by just sectioning my hair, and once I have that down, I'm going to go ahead and take the Tresemme heat protectant spray. I'm going to spray that all over that section. Now, I know a lot of people have seen this paddle brush blow dryer all over YouTube, so I really decided to try it because I honestly do not like when I have to take the blow dryer and then use a brush as well. Like, it just never works out for me. So this is like the perfect way to a perfect alternative for that, and it's super easy. Like, it's way easier and it cuts your time literally in half. So I am using the highest setting for the blow dryer just because when I recorded this video it was like 11 o'clock at night and I had like a flight to catch in the morning, so this video was like really last minute, and so I'm like trying to rush through everything. But yeah, I'm using the highest heat, and then once I'm finished I'm gonna do a cool shot all over my hair. And yeah, so when I first started using this, I noticed that the majority of the air is down the center of the paddle brush and not like the entire thing. So that's why you're gonna see me kind of like angle it downwards going down my hair instead of like turning the paddle brush to the side, if that makes sense. But yeah, I feel like it just works better this way because you're getting direct heat to your hair. So far I am in love with this blow dryer. Like, it literally cuts your time in half, and it makes it so easy for when it's time to straighten your hair. You guys are gonna see in the next video how easy it is to straighten your hair, because it does like after you finish doing this, your hair is basically like, it's not bone straight, but it's like halfway there. Like, it's straight enough to make it easier for you guys to just straighten your hair. Like, I wasn't even using super thin sections when I straightened my hair just because it was just so easy for me. And yeah, this really helped a lot. I got mine off of Amazon. I believe it was $30, and it's not heavy at all when you guys are blow drying your hair. I know I saw some videos where people said their hands were hurting, but yeah, I'm just checking out my length right here. Like, when you guys see my straight hair video, like, you guys are gonna see my face. Like, I was like literally shocked by how long my hair was, just because I haven't straightened it in like a little over a year. So this is my first time. And I forgot to mention that you guys are gonna see me like putting something on my hair after I do the heat protectant spray, and that's like a little silk serum for my hair so that it's not all poofy once I straighten it. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you would like to see my straight hair video, make sure you give me some thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than two. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now, I'm on the way.